Welcome to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix KB890830 Malicious software removal tool update installation failure on Windows 11.
Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter Step 1. Press Windows I to open settings. Step 2. Go to System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Step 3. Find Windows Update and click Run. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions and apply any fixes suggested. Step 5. Restart your PC and try installing KB890830 again. Fix 2. Manually download and install KB890830 Step 1. Go to the official Microsoft Update catalog. att www. Catalog, Update, Microsoft.com Step 2. Search for KB 190,830. Step 3. Download the correct version for your Windows 11 architecture, x64 or x86. Step 4. Double-click the downloaded file to install it manually. Step 5. Restart your PC after installation. Fix 3. Install updates in clean boot mode. Step 1. Press Windows R, type nsconfig, press Enter. Step 2. Go to Services, hide all Microsoft services, disable all. Step 3. Go to Startup Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items. Step 4. Restart PC and try installing BATE 190,808. Step 5. After installation, revert the changes to normal startup.